We are conducting our class due to some network issues and due to the failure of electricity. Okay, let's start our class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful. And today our first topic is about division. We already learned about it, but today we are going to do review of it. Okay, are you hearing me or not? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to show a video to you about division. So if you can see, you can tell me that yes, you can see. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see it or not?
Yes.
What
Yes.
what is written on that?
Yes.
What is written on that? Read it.
Division.
Read it. Read it.
Division.
Okay, division. Today we are going to learn about division.
Division.
Okay. So in our previous classes, what we have learned about the division? हमने क्या सीखा था उस division में? हाँ? What is division? What is division? Division क्या होता है? Aisha, can you tell me what is division?
To
Zoya?
divide equally. To
To
divide
divide
equally.
equally. Very good. To share equally or to split equally or to distribute equally. ठीक है? So today we are going to I am going to show you a video. Now let's see.
We're going to start off with a story.
Miss, there is no voice. Miss Majibin,
Yes.
in the computer no voice.
What?
By three. Teacher, answer is 9.
No. You can't hear?
Answer is 1. Only 1 carrot for each. Only 1 carrot for each.
Yes. Now listen carefully and watch carefully.
Classes. 2 class. Classes for each ladies.
Look at
Two
here, there are
classes
4
for
present
each lady.
and there are 8 present and 4 women. And what they are going to do? They are going to distribute equally, distribute this gift equally to each woman. So they are going to divide this 8 boxes into 4 groups. Now look at here. Now they are going to explain that what are the division facts. यानी division में क्या क्या चीजें बहुत important होती हैं. Look at here.
Teacher, divide.
You can never divide by 0. 0 divide होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है? You can never divide 0.
टीचर क्योंकि जीरो की कोई वैल्यू भी नहीं होती
Hmm.
और जीरो आता भी नहीं है. 0 1 + 0 आता ही नहीं है, इसलिए जीरो का कुछ होता
First
ही
fact
नहीं.
is that you can never divide by 0. If anybody asks to you divide 0, so you are going to give the answer, it is undefined. Now Whisker is also watching that 0 is not going to be divided by 0. Now look at here. In the previous class, I already explained to you that there are 3 signs that shows there are 4 signs. One sign is not over here. There are 4 signs that defines division. 4 किस्म की sign होती हैं जिससे पता चलता है कि ये division है. The first one is this, जो कि बहुत common है. It is very very common. And this is the slash. ये एक slash है. It also defines that it is division. And this line, sometimes the number is above, sometimes the number is below. This line defines that it is a division. Now look at there. Now this is the original division sign. For example, 12 divided by 3. If you are going to divide 12 by 3, the answer is 4. ठीक है ना? 3 का table, if you are going to recite the table of 3 and search that at what time the 12 will come, it comes at 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 is going to be divided by 3 and the answer is 4. Now look at here again. You can also write division like that. There is a slash between it, between the number 12 divided by 3. This sign also indicates division.
टीचर टीचर जैसे माइनस का साइन होता है वैसे डिवीजन का भी एक साइन होता है.
Now look at here. This is the another written form of division. How you are going to write it? This line also indicates that it's division. Now 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. All are same. ये सब कुछ एक ही है. All are same. This is the fraction way. ठीक है ना? नीचे वाला fraction way. What is the final fact? Now look at here. The final fact is you can flip the number of group and the number in each group and division problem state true. Now look at here. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 10 को अगर 2 से divide करें तो answer 5 आएगा. And if you are going to flip the number, अगर 2 की जगह 5 होगा तो भी answer 2 आएगा. तो both have same answer. Both have.
टीचर जैसे कि 4
10 को 2 से divide करें तो 5 आएगा और 10 को 5 से divide करें तो 2 आएगा. आंसर जो है वो सेम ही रहे. ठीक है ना? जो डिविजन है वो सेम रहे.
टीचर जैसे कि हम तो पहले 4 लिखते हैं, फिर s लिखते हैं और फिर 1 2 3 4 लिखते हैं और जो आंसर होता है उसके जो पीछे उसके जो और पीछे वो जो होता है जैसे कि ये है इसमें कि ये आंसर इसमें ऐसा है कि 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to वो 2
5.
जैसे कि जी
10 को 2 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं और 10 को 5 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. दोनों से हो सकता है. ठीक है? गुड.
जो हम लोग अलग से जो नंबर लिखते हैं ना वो आंसर हमें उनमें से
Now look at here. Look at here.
अच्छा समझ आ गया. अब जो 2 था 2 था जो 5 भी लगा गया.
Now look at here. Another number 18 divided by 6. The answer is 3. If you are going to take 18 divided by 3, the answer is 6. दोनों तरह से कर सकते हैं.
3 that divided is 3. इसमें जब
So now you understand what is division. I'm going to show you something more. Just wait. Time is going to be over. Time किसी वक्त भी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो I'm going to show you a slide. Can you see it? No.
No.
Okay, just wait.
No.
Wait. Now look at it.
No.
Can you see? No, tables. Tables is here. I'm going to show you. Abhi दिखा रही हूँ. Do you have table books at home? Do you have times table book at home? Can you see it? Division tables?
Yes. Yes.
Table book.
नजर आ रहा है? Division table?
Teacher,
Okay, now look at here.
Yes.
I explained to you 0 is not going to be divided. Now look at here. Here 0 is not going to divide it. 0 कभी भी divide नहीं होता. ठीक है? Now look at here. This is the table of 1. This is the table of 2. This is the table of 3. And this is the table. How many tables you have learned? 5 or 6? Till 5 or 6. कहाँ तक याद किया है आप लोगों ने class 1 में?
teacher, मैंने पूरी 10 तक.
And what about you, Aisha?
5 or 6.
5 and 6. Okay. Can anybody
Teacher, वो
tell
पहले
me
ना-
the table of
पहले
5?
मैंने
Aisha, can you
पहले मैंने
tell me the
prepared
table of 5? I'm going to hide it. मैं इसको hide कर देती हूँ. Now tell me the table of 5. Aisha. Where is Aisha? Show me your face, Aisha. Camera on.
teacher लगता है वो कहीं नहीं आ रही.
Huh? Aisha is not feeling well. I think rest of the children went to sleep. सब सोने चले गए. Huh? Aisha, can you tell me the table of 5?
5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15.
Huh? Loudly, loudly. I can't hear you.
5 5s are 25.
Wait.
5 6 are 30.
1 time 5 is
5 6
5.
are 30.
Okay. 2 time 5 is
5 8s are 40.
2 time 5.
5 9s are 40. 5
5
5
times
10s are 50.
5 time 11. 55. And 5 time 12. 60. Okay. Mustajab, can you tell me the table of 6?
Yes.
Miss,
6 1
हाँ.
6 1
Miss,
6 time 2. 2 times 6, how many?
I can't hear you.
12.
Miss, I can't
Can you hear me? Why you can't hear me? Can you hear me? Mustajab, can you hear me?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Mustajab, hear me. And you cannot,
No.
please, आप जरा सा on कर लीजिए बेटा, आपकी तरफ का वो बंद है. Okay? Okay, Mustajab, tell me the table of 6. 2 times 6, how many?
12.
2 times. Very good. 6 times 6, how many?
6 times 36. भैया आप ही
36.
बताओ.
And 4 times 6, how many?
4 times 6.
4 times 6, how many?
24.
24. Good.
4.
And what about 6 times? 7 times 6, how many?
7 times 6.
So time is going to be over.
66. Nice.
7 times 6, how many? 66 to 6 times 6 hota hai. 42.
42.
Ah,
42.
okay. From tomorrow,
Yes.
everybody learn the
7 are
tables.
42.
Okay. If you don't learn the tables, you can't do the division. Okay. So till now, Allah Hafiz. We will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. I will send you homework of English. Okay. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.